So this is question 2c. So here we've got a parabola with an isosceles trapezium, underneath it. And what we're asked to do for this one, we're asked to find the maximum possible area of the trapezium. So that means we've got a dash equals 0. So first of all, we need a formula for finding the area of the trapezium, which is a half, and add the two parallel sides together, and then half that, and then times it by the height. Okay, so here we've got this point here. So if we drop that down there, that's going to be our x. So the length of that whole side is going to be 2x. So this, we were told that that's twice the length of the lower trapezium side. So that means that this side is going to be x. And what I'm doing here is that if that is x from there to the y-axis to there, if that's x, this is my y value here. So that side, the height is going to be 9 minus x squared to get to that point there. Okay, so we're going to put all of this in now. So we've got a half, and our two sides are x plus 2x, and therefore our height is 9 minus x squared. Okay, so we can tidy this up a little bit. So x plus 2x is 3x, and half of that is 1.5x. And then we'll just expand it out. 1.5x times 9 is 13.5x. And x squared times 1.5x is 1.5x cubed. Okay, that is ready to differentiate because it's just got one variable in it, so we'll differentiate it at that stage. So that becomes 13.5, the x just drops off. Bring the 3 down the front with the 1.5, so it becomes 4.5 x squared, drop the power by 1. And now we put it equal to 0. We'll try and factorise it. So common factor of 4.5. So that's going to be 3, because 3 times 4.5 is 13.5, and then we're left with x squared. That 4.5 effectively disappears because we can just divide it through the other side, and that just becomes 0. So we've got 0 equals 3 minus x squared. So x squared equals 3, and so x is the square root of 3. Just see if we've answered the question. It said find the maximum possible area, so we actually have to find the area. So we can use either one of those two. I'm going to just use this top one here. So my area is 1.5 times x, which is root 3, and 9 minus x squared. We know that x squared is 3 from here, so that's just 3. And if we put that into the calculator, we get 15.59. And that's how you do that. It did say you may assume that your answer is a maximum, so you do not need to prove that.